1,000 video special. We're gonna be doing semi-truck video, trying to make them honk part 2. One coming.
Are you serious?
Oh my goodness.
That's just...
You gotta put your window down too. 3 right there. Oh my gosh. Okay. Yo. No. There's another one. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh my gosh. It's coming right there. Stick it out. Pull it out. Oh yeah. Come on. Oh yeah. Come on. Oh my gosh. Oh. Mystery. Let's see if this guy does it. Oh. Come on. Come on. Yeah.
Yeah, let's go.
Oh. Try getting one right there. What is this? What is that? Oh my gosh. This is perfect right here. Gotta get this one. Bang. Alright.
It's a trap.
Alright. See? Yeah!
Let's go.
Oh, the car's blocking. Space Place Semi, let's go. Oh yes! Oh my gosh!
Let's go.
Oh my gosh. Alright. Perfect line up. We're only gonna get one, but let's see. Oh. You're gonna see it. My phone just retrieves like the most brightness of all. Look!
Honestly, Chandler told me about his testimony and how he recently, just a couple years ago, came to faith in Jesus.
Oh, there we go. All right.
Shared.
I'm getting this one. Come on. Give it to me! Ow! Ah! Hey, you got this one! You got this one! coming up. All right, we didn't get Walmart. Let's see about these like 5 or so. All right, now we got Amazon. Let's go. Amazon. How did we just fail all of that? All right, we still got more coming up though.
He looked straight at me too.
We just gotta wait.
If Billy's pitching today, the name of the ball, then I'm gonna send it, alright? Yeah.
What are you doing?
Practice ones.
What are you doing?
I put this in here and it got stuck.
What did you put in there?
Slime liquor.
Oh. All right. Hey, right here. There's 2. Alright, let's see this one though. We got the next one on track right here. Well, it's like it's right there. It's stuck in there. Alright. Bang! Bang! Bling bling. Shoot slime over. Oh, it's coming. It's coming. Oh!
Oh, darn it.
Dang it. Looks like he didn't want the smoke. Oh my gosh!
Oh my god.
What a clutch! Oh. More coming up though. Shall wait. How do you get a slime over stuff? Open. Truck.
Oh,
If that was not locked, you would have been fried. Give it to me! Oh! I see it. It's stuck. Oh my gosh. Another one coming up.
that's not one.
Do.
It's not one. Oh shoot.
On me. Okay. Give it to me. Bang! Bang! FedEx! Oh. I got one coming up. Oh, it smells so bad. Oh. doing? Are you tired from trying to pull it out? Are you tired from trying to pull the...
Yeah. I'm just gonna...
All right, last one. I need one more and now I'm good. Yes! Oh! Bro, I need... Give it to me.